I want to introduce you to a vegetable that you can start harvesting as early as mid-April. And I'm not talking about lettuce. I'm talking about early sprouting purple broccoli. It's my first time growing this and I have fallen in love. It is one of the earliest things that I can pick here in Zone 7, the Mid-Atlantic region, where we get winter frost and plenty of snow. What I love about this plant is that it's sort of many vegetables in one. So if you're used to a traditional head of broccoli, you can think of that plant getting one major crown with leaves surrounding it. Sprouting broccoli, both green and purple types, get a kind of dainty crown in the middle, but what's brilliant is they get all these side shoots, all these side sprouts that carry on growing. So once you cut the central crown like I did, which was about yay big, they set side shoots and actually they go all the way down the plant. So if you harvest carefully, preserving those side shoots, you get more and more. I don't know if you can tell here, but even on this side shoot, there are 2 more babies down here. And if I cut this close to the top, those babies will grow. So you just get harvest after harvest after harvest. Now you might say, Nicole, that's not very big broccoli, and you would be right. Sprouting broccoli is small, but it is absolutely delicious. Now you want to catch them before the buds open, so you want to be looking at it and coming out and kind of harvesting regularly. All of these I'm going to be trimming off today. I should also say that the leaves are absolutely delicious. Like spinach, I cook them, I generally saute them, or you can steam them, and they're sweet and nutty and absolutely gorgeous. Now, one mistake that I made is that I should have thinned out this planting, and I did not. So what I did is last fall, I direct sowed the seeds. I had great germination, and you know how we do, us gardeners, we can't like pull out those babies. I didn't thin this broccoli like I should have. I really should have given each plant like about a foot in between. But I didn't, so I overcrowded it, and these plants are nowhere near as big as they could be. I have seen pictures where they get, really fat stems and they get really tall and very bushy, but I overcrowded it. Yet they really are growing beautifully, and I keep coming out here and pruning off buds and pruning off leaves, and they are really flourishing. It's that early time in the year where there's really no pest pressure yet, which is wonderful. These leaves are absolutely pristine. All those brassica pests like whitefly and caterpillars and things, they're just not around yet. I just have to harvest regularly because those buds do start to open, and I want to catch them while they're still closed. I got my seeds from Baker Creek Heirloom Seeds, but I do see this variety available from a lot of great seed providers. Give it a shot. I'm going to harvest some more buds. The garden season is just getting going here, but I have tons of tips and tricks videos already on the channel. Go check out my home gardening playlist, and I'll see you back here in the garden real soon.